That's right, I'm back. Part 2. Yeah, divisor with a division with a 2-digit divisor with a remainder. Warning, if you're a parent that is helping your kid do their work, you're not going to like this video, but hey, it's pretty cool and you're going to learn something. So, buckle up. Here we go. All right. I'm going to put my little my time symbol right there. My dividend is in my division house. Who is my dividend? 523. Who is my divisor? Divisor is the one outside knocking. 41. Now remember, in the first video, I went into the thousands at a 4-digit dividend. Now you're looking at this going, oh yeah, it's only 3. But the divisor is 2. It gets a little kind of, but that's okay. We're going to get through this together. Adults and kids. All right. Knock, knock, knock. Who is my first number house? My first number house is the house of 5. Hold up 5. Boop. Can you honestly, on this planet, take away 41 from 5? No, not going to happen. So what are we going to do? Since it can't happen, we're going to put a 0 on top and a 0 on bottom. What are we going to do with it? Subtract. 5 take away nothing is 5. So there's my 5. And then 2 wants to come to the party. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you know, how do you come to the party? You come by jet plane, skateboard, helicopter? No, you come to the party by drawing an arrow. All right? Whoop. There we go. Your new number house is the house of 52. Well, 41 and 41, if you can mentally handle, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So can we have 2? No. So we got to do 1. Put the 1 over the 2. 1 times 41 is 41. What are we going to do with it? Subtract. 2 take away 1 is 1. 5 take away 1, or 5 take away 4. I'm giving you the answer before I finish. 5 take away 4 is 1. And then, are you donesy? No. You still got a 3. Got to bring him to the party. How? By drawing that arrow that we talked about. All right. Oh no, Mr. Nethercott. My new number house is 113. I don't know my multiplication. We've had this discussion before. Just add. Multiplication is addition. And I know we got enough fingers and maybe some toes for those of you that are desperate. All right. I'll come over here. 41 plus 41 equals 1 plus 1 is 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we there yet? No. Let's spin this record again. 41. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 123. Can't use it. It's too big. So what do we got to do? You got to take that last one away. Wah, wah, wah. Bye. All right. So who's that? And how many times do we do it? What do we got to do now? Count it up. Write it up. Well, I mean, there's 41 once. Duh. There's 41 twice. So I'm going to put the number 2 right here. Boop. 2 times 41 is 82. What are we going to do with it? Subtract. 3 take away 2 is 1. Oh, no. 11 take away 8. Now, it doesn't matter as long as you get the correct answer. 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey, that's 31. We got leftover. Remember, you're 5th grade. It's not called leftover. It's called remainder. So let's put an R up here and put the number 31. Oh, no. 31? That's really big. Yeah, you're right. That is really big. But here's a little thing that I learned back when I was your age. Okay? If your remainder is smaller than your divisor, it's going to be okay. But if your math ain't mathin', and your remainder is bigger than your divisor, you got problems. You're going to have to go back and look at what you've done. All right? Not trying to point any fingers. All right? So, hey, we're done. We got to remainder. 31. So what do we do now? We're only halfway done. Now it's time for what? check yourself before you wreck yourself. Now, parents, this is where we got to do a 2 by 2. Now you're like, what the heck's this guy talking about? All right, who's my divisor? My divisor is 41. What is my quotient? Not remainder. What is my quotient up here? 12. So I'm going to draw a square because it's a 2 by 2. Look, there I cut it in half. And I'm going to put my 41 right here. Ta-da! Then I'm going to cut this in half. And who is it? It's 12. I'll put my 12 right here. And then, all right, corner down. Does it matter? You really want to start at the bottom, get in the habit of writing from the bottom right, because then you're going to get into some weird stuff like a 5 by 2, 4 by 3. Watch the other videos. All right. Corner down, corner down, corner down. Yeah. 1 times anything is that number. So who do I have on top? 41. So I'll put a 41 right here. 0, 0. Next. New line. Who? 2. Who? 1. What? 0, 2. Who? 2. Who? 4. What? 0, 8. What time is it? No, it's not 5:32. It's friend time. How many friends? He ain't got no friends. He's lonely. He in the corner. He in timeout. So this is a 2. 1 friend, no friends, 8 friends. We what? We add our friends. That's 9. And then we add our friends here. 492. You're like, but wait, Miss Nuckout, that's not my dividend. That's not who's in my house. Because we're not done yet. I know, you're like, it's 5th grade. Time to step up. Time to get to work. So, rewrite. I'm going to put my 492 plus, who's my remainder again? 31. Put 31 and the letter R. Why did we put that letter R there? To remind us of the remainder. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Write down the 2. Carry the 1. Put it over the 4. Hey! Look at that! 523. 523. So, did we check ourselves before we wreck ourselves? Yeah, we did. So my divisor is what number? If you pointed and said, hey, 41, thank God for paying attention. What is my dividend? Now, what's the phrase that I use for dividend? In the house. Who's in my division house? 523. What is my quotient? Hello, you're in 5th grade now. My answer, quotient, is the word that we use for 5th grade. Quotient is the word that means answer to a division problem. So my quotient is 12 remainder 31. All right. I hope this helps you. I actually enjoy making these. And for those of you that are like, hey, are you doing this for subscribers? Hey, you doing this for money? No, I'm not. I don't know, and I don't pay attention who's subscribing, and I haven't made a penny or a dime or a nickel. This is all about trying to make people smarter and better. All right? So, have a good night or day, and stay blessed. Catch you on the next one.